Hi guys, back again with another video. Now in this video we are going to do the real life waterproofness test of the Realme Buds Air 2. So we're going to take it to the shower and then to the steam room and then see how is it going to handle that. So this is my fourth time taking it to both of them, to the shower and the steam room. So let's see if it survives or not, and then we'll be talking about what to expect from it in situations where you are stuck in rain, or if you are traveling and you are in some hilly area where there's a lot of moisture and stuff. Will this survive that? So let's go ahead, start the test and then talk more about it. Steam room. Okay, so you guys have seen the video. So it actually passed all the tests. I've used it in the steam room and the shower 5 times already, and nothing has happened to it. It's still working, and surprisingly, no water goes into it. So I look for water the next day. Maybe it will come out a little bit in the case, but nothing happened. So very good build quality. The water sealing is really good. So you should not get much of water in it. But as the devices get old, the seal will get loose and water will go in. So this is new right now, so that's why it is working well. But as it gets older, you can't really guarantee it. So there's no waterproofness warranty, as in there's no warranty if water goes into it, there's water damage, you don't get any warranty. So don't take it in water in case you are you're cycling and doing all these exercises, or you get stuck in shower in a little bit of rain, nothing will happen to it. So that's it for this video. If you like the video, please subscribe with the like button and do comment, and I'll see you again with another video.